Check out this pre-owned 2012 BMW X5 xDrive35d. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 71,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include: cold weather package, premium sound package, technology package, keyless entry, navigation system, automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, and power windows.